So we're still a good while away from when we expect the iPhone 16 series to drop in September, but guess what? There's already a buzz about the next-gen iPhone 17 lineup, and here's the kicker. It looks like there's going to be an iPhone 17 Slim, shaking things up instead of the usual Plus model. This scoop comes from Jeff Poo over at Haitong International Securities, and the folks at 925 Mac got a peek at his investor note. He's talking about the Slim rocking a 6.6-inch screen, just a tad smaller than the iPhone 15 Plus's 6.7 inches. But hold on, there's more. Another tipster, Ross Young, is throwing in his 2 cents, saying it might be even more compact at 6.55 inches. Now, when you've got not one but 2 trusty leakers hinting at an iPhone 17 Slim, you start to think there's something to it, right? As for the rest of the gang in the iPhone 17 family, Pew's saying we'll see the regular iPhone 17 with a 6.1-inch display, the Pro with 6.3 inches, and the Pro Max going big with 6.9 inches. These sizes are pretty much what we're expecting for the iPhone 16 series, so it's mainly the Slim that could be switching things up in the screen department. And get this, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is rumored to be decked out in titanium, just like the iPhone 15 Pro Max. But here's where it gets interesting. The other models might be flaunting a more intricate aluminum build. That's a bit of a head scratcher, especially if you're thinking about the iPhone 17 Pro, which used to be all about that titanium life. There's also chatter about the Pro Max getting a sleeker dynamic island thanks to some fancy new Metalens tech that could make the Face ID sensor teeny tiny. The upcoming iPhone 17 series is rumored to be packed with cutting-edge features that are sure to excite tech enthusiasts. Among the expected innovations are an under-display Face ID for the Pro models, which would allow for a more expansive display area and larger screens for the standard models. The inclusion of 120Hz ProMotion technology will also bring an always-on display feature to the standard iPhone 17, showing essential information even when the screen is locked. Additionally, the Pro models may come equipped with an Apple-designed Wi-Fi 7 chip, offering enhanced connectivity and speed. A significant camera upgrade is also on the horizon with the iPhone 17 Pro Max, rumored to have a 48 megapixel telephoto lens. Durability might be improved with an anti-scratch display, and the entire lineup could see a size increase. Performance-wise, a new A19 chip built on a 2nm process is anticipated, potentially providing unparalleled efficiency and speed. Lastly, a 24 megapixel FaceTime camera could greatly improve selfie and video call quality. These features, combined with the sleek design changes like a narrow dynamic island and Metalens technology, suggest that the iPhone 17 series will mark a significant step forward in smartphone technology. Keep an eye out for the official announcements to confirm these exciting new developments. Well, there you have it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.